Hello, namaste, adabar, sasriyakal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, guys, and today we are discussing 5 things to focus for your term 9 CBSE preparation. Now guys, in this particular session I will be telling you small tips and tricks to focus for your term 2 CBSE 9. Alright, so this is going to be a small session because I want you to utilize your maximum time in your studies, right? So I'll give you some tips. So let us start with our tricks. Alright, so my name is Gopal Sir, guys. I'm a master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. Done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad. Have been teaching now from the past 5+ years. You can see my credentials on your screen. Okay, so guys, as you all know, like term 2 examination is near, and 5 points which you should definitely take care of. First is divide equal time to each subject. Now what does it mean is, like, you need to understand this fact as well, that all the subjects have equal importance. All right, your maths, science, English, SST all carry equal marks. Some subject have bigger syllabus, some subject have a smaller syllabus, right? But they have equal marks. So what do I mean over here is equal time to each subject. It does not mean that although your syllabus is complete but you have to devote the time. My point is, divide the time in such a way that you are giving equal importance to all the subjects, because at the end your final marks will be dependent upon how you have done in all the subjects. Alright, so first important thing is that understand that this is an exam, alright, and in this examination all subjects have equal marks. So you are not preparing for any one subject, but you are preparing for all the subjects. So give equal importance to all the subjects, give time to all the subjects. Second is, start from more challenging topics. This will be a very good thing to start with, because at the starting, when we start with difficult topics, you have enough time left so that you can prepare, prepare them, and then the easy topics can be easily done quickly, right? So at the starting you need you are fully motivated, and that time take the challenging topics. Also, to keep your mind say a little stress free, always start with 2 subjects a day. Always study at least 2 subjects a day, one difficult one, one easy one. So when you are done with the difficult one, start your day with the difficult one, and whenever you get tired in between, take the easier one. And when you again feel that you are refreshed again, you can again go for the difficult subjects. So this way, if you keep toggling between 2 subjects, you'll understand them more, because you'll not be feeling monotonous, and also it will be exciting to study as well. Alright, third is previous year question papers. Very important thing, guys. Please do not forget to solve the questions which have come in your previous year examinations. You can find them easily on internet. Go there and solve those questions. Alright, also guys, keep handwritten notes for last minute revision. Now it does not mean that waste your whole time in writing the new notebook. Like for one subject, within 2 pages your notes should be done, like last moment revision. For maths you can just write the formulas. Alright, for science you can just go through the definitions which are important in each chapter. Alright, just don't write the full definition. Say these definitions are important, that you can learn from your book. So at the end moment you can revise all of them. Formulas you can revise. For English, some grammar rules which are very important, just write them in the short. So 2 pages per subject, not more than that, because these only, like 2 pages only, you can revise before the examination. You cannot revise a whole notebook before the examination, right? So make short notes if possible, draw flow diagrams, charts, everything you can do. Just do it, make it make it in such a way that you should be able to understand. Don't make it like, oh, next year I'll sell this and I'll get this much money. Don't do that. Just make sure that you are making notes for yourself. You should be able to understand it. So write it in your own manner. Alright, and then solve term 2 based sample papers. If you can get sample papers, definitely solve those. The videos which we are doing where we are completing the topics, these questions also you can take as a test and solve them. Alright, internet, infinite resources you have. Definitely go ahead and solve at least 2 sample paper per subject. At least 2 sample paper per subject. You will also get to know that how much marks you are scoring. Evaluate those sample papers as well. Once you are given the marks, check how much marks you are getting, and within that range only your examination marks is going to be, right? So this is very important to evaluate yourself first, and if you are getting less marks in doing sample papers, you will get to know that where you are making mistake and start working on those areas. Alright guys, and any other assistance is required, any other guidance is required, you can always go ahead with Vedantu's Pro subscription. Link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. The coupon code is GPE Pro. Alright, and this is going to give you a good discount on the deal, and right now the prices are really very less. Alright guys, so thank you so much for joining the session. Please don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you all. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye guys.